Welcome to a realm where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, where absurd laws defy logic and challenge the mind. Welcome to Strange Laws.
Hey, I'm Jerry Hirschfeld, and this is another episode of Strange Laws. Let's get started. Which one of the following is a real law? A. In Red Oak, Texas, if you own a tiger, you must own 2 tigers? Oh, I hope that's real. I hope that the lawmakers were like, okay, owning a tiger's weird, but they might get lonely. B. In Eureka, Nevada, it's illegal for men with mustaches to kiss women. I have heard of laws like this. I just can't imagine that that would still be in effect. But I have heard like old-timey prospector laws having things like that. C. In New Orleans, Louisiana, it's illegal to knit on a roller coaster. I think that if they had to make that law, it's because somebody was trying it. And then like the jolting of the roller coaster caused like an eye to be poked out or something. I just can't imagine somebody lobbying for like, hey, we need to make this a rule and we can't just trust people's common sense. I'm going probably not. D, in Valley Falls, Michigan, it is illegal to keep a ceiling fan moving for more than 48 hours. I think this is probably the most reasonable of the laws. I mean, I don't know why you would need that. Like maybe it's hot compared to like knitting on a roller coaster. Like, that's your own fault. Kissing a woman with a mustache. I'm assuming the woman is consenting to the kiss, right? The thing that's illegal is not forcing a mustachioed kiss, but it's agreeing to a kiss and not agreeing to remove the mustache. This is more wishful thinking than anything else. I just want A to be the real one, so I'm going A is the real law.
Correct answer is B.
Oh, and it has to do with the 1800s. I was right. It's like a prospecting law. Back in the 1800s, laws surrounding facial hair were common, but this is the one of the few that still exists today. I'm going to speak out with my law degree. It is surely unenforceable today. So even if they haven't repealed that, there is no way that any court of law, without violating the state or federal constitution, could enforce that law. Disclaimer, anybody who takes legal advice from me is doing so at their own risk. I am not in any way, shape, or form your lawyer. Which one of the following is a real law? A. In Georgia, it's illegal to sell gum that tastes like hamburgers. I don't think so. That seems pretty wild. Such a specific set of events that the state of Georgia would be like, we got a problem. These poor kids, they're getting hamburger gum. I don't think so. B. In Missouri, it's illegal to wrestle a bear. I'm leaning that that's probably the one because I could see that being an issue. Going back into like prospecting days, so you got a bunch of people chasing greasy pigs and they're like, all right, the pig got away, what's next? And they're like, oh, there's a bear. I'm leaning B, but we'll see what the other two say. C, in South Carolina, it's illegal to dig for treasure on public beaches. I don't think that's it. I mean, I just, the little beepy beep, I can't imagine that's it. D, in Iowa, it is illegal to resell a blender without a blender blade. So you can't just have like what functions to be a large cup that spins pointlessly. I'm sticking with B, it's illegal to wrestle a bear.
The correct answer is B.
Background, it's also illegal to advertise bear wrestling. I mean, that makes sense because it would be false advertising if they didn't do it, and if they did do it, it would be advertising an illegal event, so both of those are of course going to be illegal. Collect admission for bear wrestling, same reason. It's either false advertising or generating profit on illegal activity, or permit bear wrestling on your premises, that makes sense. Promoting or staging bear wrestling, or training a bear for the purposes of wrestling. This is a Class A misdemeanor in Missouri. Alabama had a similar law but repealed it in 2015 because they got bored. This has been Strange Laws.